YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I know y'all ain't seen my face in a minute, but we back for now with another banger. The Civic has went through a major change. I got new wheels. That's it. I've been ordering stuff for the manual swap, which I have pretty much everything. I just need a shifter. But today we're gonna be rolling these fenders and talking about the plans for it and the plans for my other car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so to roll these fenders, you need a fender roller, of course, heat gun, and extension if you're not anywhere near the garage or whatever. I just put this together, but boy, this took me like an hour to get together because of the fact of, man, you know how eBay is. I ain't even get into it. If you know about eBay, you know. But yeah, to roll these fenders, you need a fender roller, heat gun, and extension cord if not near the house or near the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and get on out there. Sheesh. I don't know if y'all can see this. But that boy been rubbing. I don't even know why this on here. Well, we got to peel this off. Alright, so once you have it on, it's supposed to be on something similar to that, but this is not supposed to be down. I got it down for some reason. So now we're gonna try and figure out how to get it up without it interfering with the inside, because it's hitting the inner fender well. So this is my first time using it, so comment down below if y'all ever used one of these. Let me know how y'all first time was. Well, y'all, that was a fail. I'm gonna show y'all the brand I got. Hopefully y'all don't make the same mistake. But the problem I'm having is the arm is too long, and it won't, how can I put it? It won't flex in a way so I can get it alongside the fender well. So it goes up in there, but I can't get it against I wouldn't say not pinch well, but y'all know, the little fender part. I don't know, really bummed out because I really need to get this rolled, and I really wasn't trying to make a lot of noise. So like how I go to plan B, heat it up and do that clapped out way phone book or something. But $50 wasted for no reason. Sad. Alright, y'all, so I had to do this the old fashioned way. Where is it? With mallet and heat gun. They kinda got it in there pretty good. I hope we don't scrub, because it was sticking out way worse than that. But since it's a Civic, heat gun and some pressure, a little bit of elbow grease got it gone. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna see if I still need it. I need to do this body work while I'm at it, but that's gonna be another day, because I got it like this. It's not rusted, but somebody saw I swiped it. So alright, so I'm back. I finished doing everything I needed to do. What all I had to do was roll the fenders, the rear fenders, of course. Well, they're not fenders, but rear quarter panels. And adjust the tie rods in the front, swap them around, because I did a rookie mistake and put the wrong ones on each side. So every time I turned the wheel, it scrubbed like hard. It was scrubbed so hard that it would stop the car depending on how fast I'm going. So that's not safe. But yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all want to see the wheels, so I'm gonna show y'all the wheels real quick. Boom. Circuit Performance, I think they CP52. 15 by 8.5 all the way around. It's aggressive. I'm on 195/45 tire. Got a little bit of stretch. But eventually I'm gonna change the setup up, and I'm gonna go race. So eventually I'm gonna lift this up, and I'm probably gonna put 16s, or I might keep 15s but go bigger tires. So no, they need to be washed. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that. That junk is, I don't know if you can see that, but man, I was gonna wash it, but the sun out now, so I'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, that's how it looks now. Like I said, I need to fix that quarter panel right there. but I like it. I like the look. I gotta actually put it on level ground to see how it's sitting now. It's supposed to be level on each side. That's what it said. Because from the measurements, you know, I measured from lip to quarter panel on both sides, so they around the same spec. So not around, they are the same spec. So, well, I think they're around the same spec. I don't think they're exactly spot on, but it's off like a few centimeters. So yeah, that's how it's looking right now. And of course, I don't keep nothing long, so now I have this. This is a 92 Camaro RS 305 in it, which is a matter of fact about to come up out of there. So any of y'all need a 305 and y'all live in Georgia, you know, hit me up, because that motor about to come up out of there. It runs, but it's having problems staying running. Like, it's not getting fuel. So like I can crank it up and, you know, everything, but as soon as I crank it up and let it run, try to run for like a few seconds, it cut off. But from the time it was running, like I had it idling one day. The time it was running, no knocks, no smokes, no ticks. So it's a healthy motor. It's just something is not reading as far as how much fuel to dump and to keep it going. So I don't know if it's because the tank, you know, is have bad gas or rusted or anything. I don't know. The car was sitting for a year, and the car is from Chicago, so you know how that goes. The car up under actually is solid, except for a few body marks. Like, of course, the wheel wells, because like I said, Chicago car, I don't know, I already stripped it. And I need to do floorboards also. But like I said, the wheel wells, boom, boom, and boom. That's the biggest issue. But yeah, hopefully this is gonna be a good project. It runs though, it's a running project, but you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time with it. I want to be overtime build, so I'm gonna take it to a body shop, let them do all the metal work on it and the floorboards. But I always wanted one of these 3rd gen Camaro. I definitely wanted one with this body kit on it. This is actually the Z28 body kit, Z28 IROC, but some of them got them on the RS. I don't know if this was a special order or somebody just went ahead and took all this stuff off and put it on here, but I like it. But I can tell by the rear that it did have the original spoiler on here, and they took it off. So I don't know if it was the previous owner or the owner before him. Oh, I took the back off because I been getting it ready for body work. That's all the stuff right there. Excuse the garage, it's messy. But the bumper crash bar, well, crash reinforcement, seat, back seats, carpet. Well, the carpet I threw away because I'm gonna redo the carpet, and the interior pieces for like the T-top and all that, the roof and all that. So on the back end is naked. But yeah, that's it as far as this. I don't want to keep it up, hold it on whole job, because they don't start cutting grass and everything. So I don't want to. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear it because I don't want to hear it. So yeah, man, I keep saying this, but I need to go ahead and give y'all more content. I really need to be productive and stay to it, but it'd be hard right now because I'm going through a whole transition of working different hours for my job and all this and that. So I'm gonna try to do content. I have stuff for the car, I just haven't had the time to put everything on there. So hopefully I get that to you guys, but in the meantime, you know, stay safe, stay out there, like, comment, subscribe, and any questions, comment, concern, y'all can message me, put them in the comments, you know all that fun stuff. So on that note, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm up out of here. Peace.